Hello, everyone. As promised, prior to April 1st, all of the variants of the Flyagonal course has been released. So this version is going to cover the Fly B and the Fly variants. So I talk about the Flyagonal variations, when to use them. We're going to look at the results of the three different variations so far. We're going to dig deeper into just the B variant. We're going to talk about upside adjustment techniques, downside adjustment techniques, and examples on both. Then we're going to get into an example of the Fly B variant handling a massive gap down so you can see what to expect in that environment and how well it holds up. Then we're going to look at a session that we had in the alert service, specifically on the Fly B variant. So just some general discussions there, some Q&A, if you will. Then we're going to get into the Flydagonal. So again, that's the newest variant. So far, 48 live trades, 48 winners. So you're going to see kind of why I am so excited about that variant. Then we're going to go in and have a general discussion as to how it is constructed. And here we're going to do a deep dive on the construction from scratch. In other words, I'm going to open up Option Trader's Assistant. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to show you the whole thing and how it's constructed. Then we're going to talk about adjustment concept. Now, when we get into adjustment concepts, it's important to note that this trade doesn't need that many adjustments. So I don't really have many examples at this point. I do go in and give you an actual PDF file as well as a video that talks about the various adjustment techniques to use. But again, I don't really have many examples just yet. Now, I am working on a couple other things that aren't going to be on there right now. There is some experimentation that's being done on what I'll call large size hedged Flydagonal. So this is a variation of the Flyagonal, or of the Flydagonal actually. And it has some black swan hedge concepts built into it. Now, I've been tracking that for a few weeks. There's pros and cons to it. I'll be sharing that in a couple of weeks as those sample trades mature, and I have a better sense of what to share with you. And then finally, something I'm going to be coming up with here, it's going to take me a couple of weeks to develop because I am pushing it hard. I'm having a bunch of different AI models look at the Flydagonal trade and tell me where is it going to break. So what do I mean by that? Basically, I want to know under what conditions is this trade likely to produce losses, and how dramatic or sizable might those losses be. So I've had to go through a whole bunch of different market cycles and scenarios at this point. It's holding up extremely well in virtually every case I'm sharing with it. Big, massive down markets holds up pretty well with some adjustments. Same thing with the up markets. The whipsaw markets, and I'm not talking little whipsaws here of 100 points up, 100 points down. I'm talking massive whipsaws of 300, 400, 500 points down. And then a day of gap or two where the market stabilizes and 300, 500 points up is appearing right now to be the Achilles heel. But even at that point, this trade still would end the year profitably based on what AI is telling me. So again, more to come on that. Finally, just a little favor to ask of you when you get through the course. I did set up an account on Trustpilot. If you like what I've produced, if you found it to be of value, I'd love it if you go to Trustpilot, optionsincomeacademy.com, share a review. It helps other traders understand what's out there, what sources out there seem to have some validity, what sources might be a little dicier. And then finally, I am sharing templates. These are templates to all of these trades, OTA templates, so that all you need to do is go to OTA, select the template you want, and it will automatically build out that trade for you. Now, this is not a trade recommendation. I'm not telling people to open up that exact trade and fire it off. It's just simply a way for you to build out these types of trades, paper trade them, model them, tweak them yourself, better understand what they are and how they work. All of this is released here tonight, March 31st, 2026, as promised before April 1st. Those of you that have not yet purchased the deep dive class, you can still go to the link below and purchase that at the lower price yet here on March 31st. As of tomorrow, the price will be going up. So that's it for now, everyone. Take care.